So now let's see how we can utilize the text plugin inside of diagrams.net. So to utilize the text plugin, you need to go around onto the extras, and then you need to go to plugin right here and then click on add, and over here from the built-in plugins section you should click on text and press OK right here. Once you do that, it prompts you to restart the application, which you should do. So you should close the application and restart it. And in case you're using the web version, you need to go around and then reload the web page. So I'm just going to create a new diagram right here and select a blank diagram, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So with the text plugin, what you can do is, let's say for example there's a text right here on this particular diagram. What you can do is you can go around onto extras and then click on extract text. Once you do that, the text is extracted, as you can see right here, and you can download it out right here as a separate text file, as you can see, just like this. So I'm just going to go around on my desktop, and here you can go around and download it. Right now it shows an error, but let me just go to extract right here. But you can copy it and you can go around and email it over here as well, or you can click on copy to copy it in clipboard as well, so that you can paste it in other programs. Let's say for example, if I were to go around create a text document, I can go around and then paste it out over here just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the text plugin to extract out texts from different elements inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.